We back, y'all. About to go ahead and rip this radio on out. So, let y'all see it. Obviously, I gotta pop this out right here. All right, it's dark, y'all, so I don't know. It's got the flash. It's just got the light on though, but I mean, it was tough. We're gonna do like a little demo of it, probably like tomorrow or something, But it's dark right now. I'm gonna keep everything in the same video. But goodbye to the wish call. I'm letting the car charged up, because I had kind of like left the battery on while I was doing it. That's a no-no. I just didn't, I just wanted to, take it out and see if it was gonna work. So that's why I kept the battery kind of hooked up. But other than that, man, we'll be right back. All right, we back. Got the radio in, Another thing, I got some more information about subs. So the next video probably will be about the subwoofers. I'm gonna let you guys know what's going on with that. But man, like all this time that I've been doing demos for you guys since I had the new box, it's only been with one subwoofer. Like, and we'll explain more on that too. We'll get to more on that. So yeah, man. So let's go ahead and check it out, man, because we want to hear a nice little demo. This radio sounds real nice. It's a good radio. The only thing about it, I can't figure out, how to set the time and how to do the Bluetooth to the phone, which I'm not really worried about because I got USB. So, but yeah, let's go ahead and check it out, man. Let's go ahead and check it out. All right.
It's DJ Rusticles. I'm willing to die for this shit. I'm ready to flip and I end up in prison the rest of my life for this shit. So my mama ain't want me, she got in the bush and I end up surviving this shit. And if I want to sign, I ain't got the money, I'll probably be robbing this shit. Don't know how much I cry for this shit. Said I'm willing to ride for this shit. Murder's my hobby, inside of my closet's a bunch of dead bodies and shit. Niggas said it in cursed, cause I go to church and stare at the Bible and shit. Shorty say I'm the worst, cause I do my dirt, and I'll be hiding this shit. Bitch, I'm a savage, I spit at you bastards, I wonder what you gonna do to me, huh? I need to hear someone rapping, I'm just out of press by your cash for your jewelry, huh? All you my soldiers, and I'm a lieutenant, goddammit, you should be saluting me, huh? I hope you know I ain't going nowhere. All you rappers just better get used to me, huh? Nigga, I must have blew in my jeans, bought me a Jeep, cause I wasn't riding as much. My bank account looking weak, don't look at me, I ain't got time for no fun. Starting to feel like Tyrese, I'm about to trip, or maybe start crying or something. I might just hit up the smokes, throw me a fit, wait for my wire to come. Ain't nobody gonna show me love when I was coming up. I had a double up and tell these niggas I got love before they ride. And they don't really want a nigga love, I hit them with the uppercut. I had they motherfucking running for their lives. Unidentified craft when I fly past, I'm an elegant feeling, and if you look up in the sky, blow your mind back, put your eyes back to your iPad. My eye rocky and suicide when the bombs are loaded and your mind exploded in the wind. Then you gon' sit down with pen. I was raised in a sauna, me and the it clown of friends. Grab a loan for your kids, set my chest in the bitch. Dirty in the evening. What you know about ramen noodles in the pack of fat on new niggas out of that new nigga. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 niggas on the board, 10 niggas on the floor, 11 niggas on the board, 12 niggas on the board, 14, I've been doing 15, got the first 16, avatar, 17 pounds of grenades that you run apart, 18 ways you can die. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bitches wanna fuck, 10 niggas wanna rush, 11 hitters on the bus, 12 niggas wanna bust, 13, 14, what is up, 15, what was up, 16, double jump, 17 shots in your face, you cut up, 18 ways you can die trying to fuck with you. Said I'm ready to flip it, I end up replacing the rest of my life with this shit. My mama ain't want me, she got an abortion, I end up surviving this shit. Shit, if I wanna see it, I ain't got the money, I'd probably be robbing this shit. I don't know how much it costs this shit. Said I'm willing to die for shit. You know murder's my hobby, inside of my gun, there's a bunch of dead bodies and shit. Niggas say the curse, cause I go to church, stare at the Bible and shit. Shorty saying the words, cause I do a bird, and I'll be on this shit. It's DJ Rusticles. I'm willing to die for this shit. I'm ready to flip it and end up in prison the rest of my life for this shit. So my mama ain't want me.
Oh man, that was good. That was good, clean fun right there, man. No, that was good, clean fun right there. I mean, my goodness. You know, other than that, man, I mean, stay tuned. You know, I got more stuff coming up. You know, if you guys have any questions about anything, let me know. All right.